us look at the exercises of the lesson Gandharva Sena from Siri Kannada grade 6. So, Abhyasagalu means exercises. Now, the first one. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿರಿ. ಆಯ್ಕೆ means select or pick and ಸರಿಯಾದ means correct. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ means blank and ತುಂಬಿರಿ means fill. So this means that pick the correct word and fill in the blanks. So as you can see, for all the fill in the blanks, 3 options are given. So you have to pick the correct option and fill in the blank. So the first one, ರಾಜನು dash ವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪರಿಸಮಾಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿದ. ಪರಿಸಮಾಪ್ತಿ means to stop or to end, and Raja is king. So what did the king stop or complete? So he completed his court. Remember, there was a court going on when the minister goes running to him telling Gandharva Sena is dead. So he immediately stops his court, right? So that is called as Oddolaga. So this is the correct option. The other two have spelling mistakes. The second option is Paddolaga and the third option is Oddolaga. So Oddolaga is the correct option. Then Sevaki dash Buddhiyavalu. So remember when the king goes and cries to the queens, one of the maids, she is very sharp-minded. Okay, so Buddhiyavalu means minded and Sevaki is maid. So the maid she was very sharp-minded. So Churuku is sharp. Muruku, Tuluku is not the correct option. Churuku is sharp-minded. She was a very sharp-minded person. Mantri Aramanege bandu Rajana Kalige biddu dash helida. So the Mantri is a minister. He came to the palace. Aramane means palace. And he fell on the king's feet. And what did he tell? He told Nijamsha. What is the real thing? Okay, because nobody knew who was Gandharva Sena. So finally, he found out who was Gandharva Sena and he came running to tell him the real story. So that is Nijamsha. ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನ ತೀರಿದ್ದ ವಿಷಯ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದು dash. So, who informed the king that Gandharva Sena is dead? So the option is Mantri. Mantri is minister. The minister was the one who came running and informed the king that Gandharva Sena was dead. Antapura, idara artha. What is the meaning of Antapura? Ranivasa. It is a place where all the queens live. It is a room where the queen lives. So that is the meaning of Antapura. So it is Ranivasa. So we have finished the first exercise. Now, ಈ ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Write the meanings of the given words. So remember, after each lesson in the textbook itself, you can see a lot of meanings. So all these meanings are picked from there itself. So ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು, ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಬಿಡುವ ಉಸಿರು. ನಿಡಿದಾದ ಶ್ವಾಸ. That means a long, deep, long breath. Nittusiru means a long breath. Then Parisamapti means to finish or to end something. That is Muktaya or Kone. Marnudi Pratiyagi Matanadu. Maruttara Maruttara Kodu means to reply back, answer back. That is called as Marnudi. Then Udgarisu. Udgarisu means with lot of emotions you are telling something. So that is Helu or Horagedahu. With lot of emotions you are expressing something out. You are telling it out. That is called as Udgarisu. And now we look at the question and answers. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So for the given below questions, answer in one sentence. Vakya means sentence, ಒಂದು means one. So for the given questions, give the answer in one sentence. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ ರಾಜನ ಬಳಿ ಏನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ. Mantri is minister, ಅಳುತ್ತಾ, crying. Remember, the minister came crying to the king. So he came to the king crying, and ಏನೆಂದು means what. What did he tell to the king? So he came crying and told him that Gandharva Sena is has died. So ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ ರಾಜನ ಬಳಿ ಏನೆಂದು means what. Okay, so that is the question word. So instead of ಏನೆಂದು you have to tell the answer, which is ಮಹಾರಾಜರೇ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರಂತೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ. So he came and he said King Gandharva Sena is dead. So that is the answer. What did the minister come and tell the king is the question. The answer is the minister came and told the king that Gandharva Sena is dead. Gandharva Sena yaru. Yaru means who. That is a question word again. Who is Gandharva Sena? So Gandharva Sena is the washerwoman. Her donkey. So Gandharva Sena ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕತ್ತೆ. Katte means donkey. Okay, so it was the name of the donkey which belonged to that washerwoman. ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ರಾಜ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ? So who did the king tell to? Okay, that Gandharva Sena is dead. To whom did he tell? The minister came and told the king, but the king in turn went and told somebody else. Who is that? To whom did he say? Yarige means to whom. To whom did the king tell that Gandharva Sena died? So he went and told it to all the queens, right? So Gandharva Sena ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿಯರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ. He told it to the queens. ರಾಣಿಯ ಸೇವಕಿ ಏನೆಂದು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. ಆಲೋಚನೆ is think or thought. ಏನೆಂದು is what. So what did that maid of the queen think? What was the thought process in her mind? So ರಾಣಿಯ ಸೇವಕಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜರಿಗೂ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ? What is the relationship between Gandharva Sena and the king? That was a thought that came to her mind, right? Because all of them were mindlessly crying. So she wanted to know, why are they crying? Why is Gandharva Sena so important to all of them? So she asked, what is the relationship between the king and Gandharva Sena? Then the last question is, ರಾಣಿಯರು ನಗಲು ಕಾರಣವೇನು? Nagu means laugh. Nagalu means to laugh. Karana means reason. What is the reason for all the queens to laugh? ಆಸ್ಥಾನಿಕರ ಮೂರ್ಖತನ ನೆನೆದು ರಾಣಿಯರು ನಗಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಮೂರ್ಖತನ means foolishness. Okay, see, nobody bothered to find out who was Gandharva Sena, right? So they were so foolish to just believe somebody coming and saying Gandharva Sena is dead, and all of them were crying. So Asthanikaru means all the people present in the court. So thinking of their foolishness, all the queens were laughing. Now next is answer in 2 to 3 line answers. Okay, so ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ 5-6, not 2 to 3, 5 to 6, 5-6 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. So given questions you should answer in 5 to 6 sentences. ರಾಜನ ಒಡ್ಡೋಲಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಪ್ರಸಂಗವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿ. ಒಡ್ಡೋಲಗ is the court of the king. Prasanga is the incident. Vivarisi is explain or describe. Okay, so explain or describe the incident that happened in the king's court. So what happened? The minister came running there and he told him that Gandharva Sena has died, and he actually fell unconscious. And on listening to this, the king declares that there will be mourning for the entire kingdom for 4 days. So all that is what you have to explain. So ಒಂದು ದಿನ ರಾಜನು ಒಡ್ಡೋಲಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದನು. So one day when the king was in his court, his minister came there crying loudly. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣವೇನೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, so then when he was asked what is the reason, why is he crying like this so loudly, then that time he says ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರೆಂದು ಉದ್ಗರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ಹೋದನು. So when they asked him the reason, why are you crying so loudly, he said Gandharva Sena died and he fell unconscious. ಮೂರ್ಛೆ means to fall unconscious. ಆಗ ಆ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ರಾಜನು ದುಃಖಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನರ ಆತ್ಮಶಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಶೋಕಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಆದೇಶ ನೀಡಿದ. So Upon hearing this, the king felt very sad. Dukki Sutta means feeling very sad. And Gandharva Sena, for his soul to rest in peace. Atma Shanti means for the soul to rest in peace. He decides to he declares 4 days of mourning in the entire kingdom. Rajyadyanta means the entire kingdom. 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಶೋಕಾಚರಣೆ, 4 days of mourning. Shokacharane is mourning. He ordered, Adesha is order, because he is a king. He ordered that there will be mourning for 4 days in the entire kingdom. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to tell when the king was in his court, the minister came there crying loudly, and when asked why he was crying, he said Gandharva Sena died and he fell unconscious. Then the king felt very sad on listening to this news, and he decides that for Gandharva Sena's soul to rest in peace, they will have 4 days of mourning in the entire kingdom. So he orders that all of them will be mourning for 4 days in his kingdom. Now next one is Gandharva Sena yaru ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯಲು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳೇನು. So to understand to know who is Gandharva Sena, what are all the things that the minister tried? Prayatna is what are the different things that he tried to do to find out who is Gandharva Sena. So Gandharva Sena ಯಾರು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯಲು ಮಂತ್ರಿಯು ಮೊದಲು ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಂತರ ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದನು. So to find out who is Gandharva Sena, first he went and met the army chief. Padaya Mukhyastha means the army chief. And then he didn't know, right? The army chief said, I don't know, my wife was crying, right? So then, Hagu Nantara, later. Nantara is afterwards, later. Avana Hendati, his wife, that is the army chief's wife. Hendati means wife. So afterwards, they went to the army chief's wife. Bheti Madi means he met. First he met the army chief, then he met his wife. And Prashnisidanu, he questioned them, who is Gandharva Sena, why were they crying? ಆದರೆ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಯಾರೆಂಬುದು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದಾಗ, so but then both of them didn't know who was Gandharva Sena. So when the minister understood that they also didn't know, they finally went to that washerwoman's house, Madivalatiinda. They went there and only then did they realize that it was her donkey. So ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಅವಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕತ್ತೆ ಎಂಬ ನಿಜಾಂಶವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದನು. So that's when he understood who is Gandharva Sena. That's when he understood the truth, or really came to know who is Gandharva Sena. Now next is Sandarbha Sahita Vivarisi. That means you have to explain. It is reference to context. So Maharajare Gandharva Senaru ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರಂತೆ. So Maharaja, king Gandharva Sena is dead. So who said this? Who said this to whom? So first is you have to tell it is selected from which lesson. So ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ, ಪಾಠ is lesson, ಆರಿಸು is selected. So this sentence is selected from the from the lesson Gandharva Sena. Okay, ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ means this sentence has been selected from the lesson Gandharva Sena. And who told this? The minister told it to the king, right? So ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. Then ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಯಾರು, ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಎಂದು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯದು. So sir, I don't know who he was, I don't know what he was, I don't know anything about it. So who said this? This army chief told to the minister. So again you have to say from which lesson this line is selected. So ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥನು ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ means the army chief. He told this to the king. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. So past night he closed his eyes. Who said this? The washerwoman. She said that. So ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮಡಿವಾಳ್ತಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪಡೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. So this washerwoman, she told it to the minister, the army chief and his wife, because they all went to her to ask who is Gandharva Sena. ಒಂದು ಕುರಿ ಹಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಿದ್ದವು. So this is like a proverb. Okay, if one lamb or one goat, one sheep, it goes and falls in a pit, all of them will follow and fall. So that is the meaning of this. This is actually a proverb. So ee maatannu, this one is told by the queens. They talk amongst themselves. So first is ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇನಾ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ and ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ರಾಣಿಯರು ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡರು. Amongst themselves they were discussing this. Okay, now this is all the question and answers. And then this is one exercise where a lot of words are given here and you have to differentiate, means split them as either nudigattu or gade or ogatugalu. Okay, the given word here, all these words you have to split as either nudigattu, gade or ogatugalu. Nudigattugalu means it is similar to idioms which we have in English. Idioms means it will not literally mean what the word is. It will have another meaning which you have to interpret yourself. Okay, so the given word will not actually mean what you have to interpret as. Okay, like for example, spill the beans. Okay, come on, spill the beans. When somebody says, it doesn't literally mean you have to go and drop the beans down. It means to tell a secret, right? To publicly tell the secret. So that is the meaning of spill the beans. So it has an internal meaning, right? It literally doesn't mean what the words are. You have to decipher the meaning out of it. So that is called as nudigattu. Nudigattu is similar to idioms. Then gade is similar to proverbs. And ogattu is similar to riddles. Okay, what we say riddles in English, that is only ogattugalu. So given words are split. So moogu turisu, that is a nudigattu. Then ಕೇಳಿದ ಕಿವಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿ ತಂದಿತು. So that is a gade. Gade is proverb. ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳು, again this is a ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು. Then ದಾಸ್ ಬುರುಡೆ, ದೌಲತ್ತು ಬುರುಡೆ, ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೇ ಬುರುಡೆ. So that is a riddle. ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಚೂರಿ ಹಾಕು, that is again a ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು. ಒಂದು ಕುರಿ ಹಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಿದ್ದವು, that is a ಗಾದೆ. ಗಾದೆ is proverb. ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಲಿಂಗ, that is ಒಗಟು. ಒಗಟು is riddle. ತಲೆ ಹಾಕು is again a ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು. ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಪಾಲು, that is a ಗಾದೆ, proverb. Then ಕರುಳು ಹಿಂಡು, that is a ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು. Then ಮಂಕು ಬುದ್ಧಿ, that is also a ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟು. Then ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತೋಟ ಚೂರು ಕಸ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಹಾಳು, and this is a riddle, ಒಗಟುಗಳು. Okay, so this is how you split them. And I think we are done with all the exercises of Gandharva Sena. Yes.